Ooh, goodies.
I bought you something from my bakery. It's a tea cake.
Ooh.
It's a tea cake. I didn't realize how impactful these tea cakes are. One day it was a slow day. I was sitting in the window at my bakery and I just started talking about tea cakes and I uploaded it to TikTok and it got about 18,000 likes. So I now make strawberry tea cakes, lemon, almond, pecan, buttermilk. These are my classic and they're flavored with cinnamon and a touch of nutmeg. So just let me know what you think. And they have the same technique as you're making, you know, a cake. You cream the butter and sugar together, then you add in your eggs, your vanilla, and then you alternate flour and buttermilk. Thank you. And I use really good ingredients. Like I don't use low-fat buttermilk. I use full fat. Everything is made. No, we're not cutting any corners here. So yeah. So that's the classic tea cake. And yeah, just recently realized just how important tea cakes are to my clients. So I expanded them. And so yeah, a lot of the customers, they chimed in. A lot of the people on TikTok, they chimed in, and it was mainly people in the South. The people up north were like, well, what's a tea cake? And of course I had to share what it looked like. Texas, Louisiana, Georgia, Alabama, all the southern states, they knew what tea cakes are. So yeah.
Good. I can't even stop eating.
Oh, thank you. They compliment coffee.
Hi everybody, I'm Heather with Chic Sweets Bakery. I hope that you enjoy the interview and stop by the bakery. We have lemon bars, brownies, cakes, danishes, all made from scratch, all made with the good stuff that your grandmother used to make. So come on and see us, North Houston.